60 days ago, I started a brand new YouTube Shorts channel using AI to see how far I can take it. I managed to get over 40,000 views with just 40 videos, which means I wasn't even posting every single day, and some videos even went viral. So today, I'm going to unpack everything I did right and share my exact strategy with you. We are also going to look at everything I learned in these 60 days and how you can utilize that information to grow your own Faceless YouTube Shorts channel. So hit that subscribe button and let's get started. I started by finding a niche, which is the easiest way to get more traction on your videos and start growing a loyal audience base from the very start. This way, you're not just shooting around in the dark. To find my niche, I spent quite a few days researching on YouTube in the incognito mode to see what results YouTube was pushing out to me. I noted down the niches that I saw most often, and out of these, I decided to go ahead with travel as the niche for my page because it's easy to create videos for and it is a very evergreen niche. I also did some additional legwork and researched competitors in the travel space, and I found that when it came to faceless content, there was a serious quality gap. Most videos were low quality and neither entertaining nor educational. So it made a lot of sense for me to try and create content in this space. Next, for video ideas, I simply used ChatGPT. I wasn't kidding when I said I made these videos using AI. I used the simple text prompt to generate the ideas. I've explained this in a lot more detail in previous videos, so you can check them out here after you're done watching this one. Now to turn the ideas into an actual video, I used InVideo AI, which turns any text prompt into a publish-ready video in minutes without you having to script, record, or edit anything. Let me show you my process in a little bit more detail. I usually log into my account on ai.invideo.io and I use this prompt box right here to enter the prompt for my video. Here's an example of one of the first few prompts I used. Create a 40-second long YouTube short about, and then I just copied and pasted the idea from ChatGPT and simply hit generate. InVideo takes a few seconds and then also asks for audience and tone selection. So I chose those, and then in just a few minutes, InVideo generated the first draft.
Picture this. Maldives, a tropical paradise with white sandy beaches, crystal clear lagoons, and abundant marine life.
So now once I had the draft, I would usually use this command box under the canvas area to make any changes I wanted. For this one, I wanted to try a male voiceover, so I asked InVideo to change that to an American male.
These are 5 beaches you must visit in your lifetime. First, Maldives, a tropical paradise with white sandy beaches.
Pretty cool, right? But I like the female one better, so I am just gonna go ahead and press this undo arrow and go back to my previous version. For some shots like this one, I also chose to make specific changes to the videos by using this edit option right below the canvas. This opens a pop-up window where I can choose to edit my script and media. I changed the script for this one a little bit and removed a few excess words, and then I just hit apply, and let me show you this version.
These are 5 beaches you must visit in your lifetime. First, Maldives, a tropical paradise with white sandy beaches, crystal clear lagoons, and abundant marine life. Then, Bora Bora.
Looks much better, doesn't it? But I think we can also improve the stock footage to be more intriguing. So once again, let's go to the edit option and click on the edit media tab. And here I will search for clips that have warmer colors and give more of a tropical vibe, because this is a video about beaches. Let me look for Santorini clips. This one looks great. So I can just select the clip I want to replace on the timeline on the top and then click on the chosen clip, and you can see that it gets placed on top of the original, meaning that it has been replaced. And done. Let's take a look at the final version.
These are 5 beaches you must visit in your lifetime. First, Maldives, a tropical paradise with white sandy beaches, crystal clear lagoons, and abundant marine life. Then, Bora Bora, French Polynesia, where turquoise waters meet lush green peaks. Next, Santorini, Greece, with its unique volcanic beaches and stunning sunsets. Over to Maui, Hawaii, a surfer's dream with golden sands and towering waves. And finally, Seychelles, where palm-fringed beaches meet vibrant coral reefs. Have you visited any of them?
Awesome, right? Now all that is left to do is export the video. I have a premium plan, which means I can export the video without watermark. And if you're serious about growing your YouTube Shorts channel, I highly recommend getting their paid plan, which starts as low as $20 a month. Now coming to the actual strategy, I posted shorts I created like these for a few days, and then I started tracking my analytics. Within the first week, I realized that they were not taking off and I needed to change my strategy. So I spent some time analyzing and I found that my swipe ratio was very bad. bad. This is not a good sign because the swipe ratio shows the percentage of people who swiped away from the video when they saw it in their feed. It should ideally be less than 30%. If the swipe ratio is bad, it means you need to make changes to your hook to retain the audience for longer. So in the next few shorts, I decided to try question hooks or bold statement hooks instead of these long drawn out ones. Basically, I started these shorts off with a strong statement or an absurd question that forced people to stop scrolling and pay attention. Here's one such short.
For $1 million, would you ride on any of these world's 5 scariest roller coasters?
I also optimized the outro to remind them of the question. And this clearly worked. Within just a day, the views shot up significantly. So I continued with this concept for the next few weeks, posting videos with strong hooks and outros. Now, during this time, the results fluctuated a little bit. The swipe ratio was great for some videos, but not for others. So while I had a formula, it needed to be tweaked further so that I could create a system that would get me slightly more consistent results. This time around, I decided to use hooks that generate FOMO or fear of missing out. And I simply did this by including big numbers or claims in my videos. Like instead of saying, where would you go for free? I said something like,
if someone paid you $1 million to go to any of these places, where would you go?
Big numbers change the way you think, so people would stay on the video to see their options. I wasn't surprised when I saw that the videos that used this strategy gained a lot more views than any other videos before. The first video I created using this strategy passed 8,000 views and the swipe ratio was so much better. So again, I continued posting with this strategy. And then about 2 months down the line, I had another interesting idea for the shorts. We all know that people love competition and they love breaking records. So I wanted to create a video about Guinness records related to traveling. I followed the same process and posted this video.
These are 5 man-made structures that hold records. First, the longest bridge in the world, Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge in China.
And I wasn't surprised when I found that this short passed 10,000 views in the next few days. I posted a few more record shorts and all of them got a few thousand views. Now from here, we discovered 2 content types that categorically worked for this page. I continued posting with this and gained close to 40,000 views by day 60. These results are crazy good for a brand new Faceless channel, which was not even on the radar 2 months ago. But after I wrapped up the experiment, I looked back on the journey, analyzed the results again, and looked at other channels in the niche, and this led me to a couple of learnings. 1. FOMO is not just enough within the video, it also needs to be reflected in the title and the thumbnail. If you look at this page itself, titles that generate the sense of missing out on something have gotten better clicks. This is proven time and again through our own experiments and research, and if you work on the titles, it significantly can improve the number of views you get. And doing this is super important for a Faceless channel because we don't have recall like a regular channel, which is creator based. 2. The thumbnail image needs to be catchy. Yes, I know that you cannot create thumbnails for shorts, but when you upload from your phone, you can choose a frame from within the video that is attention grabbing. Now, one way you can do this is by including beautiful stock footage in the video itself and then choosing a frame from that. 3. Longer shorts work better. This is something I realized after researching. Shorts that are generally longer than 40 seconds in length tend to have better retention and swipe ratio. Now, this could be because they pack more information as well as because that information keeps people engaged for longer. And 4. More visually appealing stock footage. Now, when you're creating AI generated content, there are several parameters you need to focus on because these videos don't have the same connection as creator based videos. So you need to ensure that your visuals really draw the viewers in so that they're interested in watching the short. Having dull and drab clips will be an instant giveaway that something is AI generated. So make sure to spend time choosing the right footage. Now, I will be going ahead and sharing the results of 100 days of posting these shorts consistently on this channel. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the notifications because the results are going to blow your mind. Also, let me know what kind of channel I should try creating next. And don't forget to check out these videos next to figure out what other viral niches you can create content in so you start and monetize your own Faceless YouTube Shorts channel.